Hey YouTube, guess what time it is? It's cooking time! This is Eddie with Tylerandeddienc. It's Christmas. Every year for Christmas, growing up as a kid, my Aunt Lavera, I do this every year in tribute to her. It's called a chocolate eclair. And I just wanted to share with you how we put this together. The ingredients are 2 boxes of Jello pudding mix, French vanilla, 2 Cool Whips, original, 3 cups of milk, mix it together. Put the graham crackers in the pan, and you'll see. So we're gonna start off. So we're gonna put the ingredients in, one at a time.
And what kind of Jello is
This is Jello, French vanilla flavor, pie filling. Okay? And
you use 2 of these?
I use 2 of these. This is for a 9 by 13 pan. Then you get the Cool Whip. It takes 2 8-ounce containers of Cool Whip. You're talking about a good dessert. Now this makes something extremely good. So we're gonna pull 3 cups of milk. I used to go, well, it's good enough, but trust me, it makes a difference. Now you gotta mix it with the blender. Medium speed. Shove it in there. Now you take the little thing and just keep it all pushed down in the middle. Alright, so there you go. You set this to the side. Now, as a kid, one of the biggest joys as a kid was licking the beaters. Now, you take your 9 by 13 pan and your graham crackers. Now, word of advice, if you're making this as a family and your wife and kids are around, don't let them eat the graham crackers because you need every single graham cracker in this pudding, okay? Once you get a layer of the graham crackers, you take approximately half of your pudding mix. You just pour half of it, you know what half is. You'll save the other half for the top and spread it out. Add second layer on top of the pudding. Okay, now take the other half of your pudding and pour it back in there over top of your graham crackers. Okay? Once you get a layer of the graham crackers, you take approximately half of your pudding mix. You can measure it, but you just pour half of it, you know. Alright, so once you get the graham crackers started, and you get the biggest portion, just take, I always like to start in the corners, and just fill in, and smooth the chocolate out. Don't worry about it if you get a little cream on top, you can cover it up later. Alright, so once you get the chocolate spread, you put it in the refrigerator. It's best if you let it sit overnight and serve it at lunchtime the next day. I'm not sure how many hours, I would guess maybe 12 hours. But it's okay, you can keep it 3 or 4 days in the refrigerator. And the reason for that is so that graham crackers can soak up some of the moisture out of the pudding and it becomes a soft dessert that everybody will love. Guaranteed to be the first dessert to come back empty on the table every time. The eclair has been in the refrigerator for about 3 hours now. We decided that we're going to cut it and serve a little piece to ourselves. So here you go. I'm gonna cut the first piece for Tyler. We are gonna take this chocolate eclair and cut the same size. Alright, so we're not gonna film him tasting it, but I just want you to get his reaction. Alright, y'all ready for this?
That's delicious.
That's right. So there you have it, folks. Chocolate eclair. Recipe given to me by my Aunt Lavera in Danville, Virginia, Gulfport, Virginia. Passed away a couple years ago, and her recipe lives on. So anyway, subscribe, like, comment. This is Eddie, that's Tyler. We're with Tyler and Eddie NC on YouTube. Never know when the cameras are rolling, but when they are, we're gonna be right here. We'll be cooking, burning, printing, doing woodwork, shooting guns, whatever it takes. Subscribe, like, comment, take care, peace out, Merry Christmas!